The Wonderland of Nature by Nuri Mass was first published in 1964 and has been reprinted several times. Today I'm sharing with you the 5th edition, which can be purchased from Living Book Press. As you can see by the contents page, the book largely focuses on insects, moving into sections covering small animals, plants, the seashore, and remarkable everyday things. Each area within the book is generally between 1 and 3 pages in length, making this super easy to read with your children in one sitting, whilst they draw, colour, or complete an entry in their own nature journal. Each insect, and all the topics for that matter, have blackline illustrations, sometimes showing life cycles, other times anatomy, and then other times showing interesting features about the insect, plant, or animal. With 63 different entries to read and explore, there is more than enough in this guide to take you through at least 2 school years if you're undertaking nature study just 1 day per week. Of course, there are no lessons and no right way to utilise the Wonderland of Nature. Simply do what feels best for your family. This could look a number of ways. Read a section, seek out other books and videos to go along with it, make a nature journal entry, working your way through the book from beginning to end. Or take a nature walk and see what strikes your children's fancy. Take a note of that and find it in the page in the Wonderland Guide when you come back home and read more about it there. It's really up to you how you use this lovely little nature guide in your home. That's the Wonderland of Nature.